everyone. Look, this crow is very thirsty. Let's see what it does. A crow found some water dropping from a tap. It quickly drank the water. After drinking, the crow looked for food in a bucket. But it could not find anything. Then it flew to an iron pool and sit beside another crow. They looked like good friends. Finally, both crows looked around and fly away together. So guys, nature is full of beautiful moments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more videos. Bye.